You know, I have been often asked, hey, are you from New York? And what I tell them is, yeah, a long time ago, I was from New York. Well, with that, they often say, well, did you marry someone from New York? And I say, I sure did, because she talks just like a New Yorker.
Get out of here!
Hear that? Anyway, that's not what this is all about. What this is about, I've had a lot of people ask me, well, from New York, you guys had chocolate egg creams. What's that all about? Well, I'm going to show you, how you can make a chocolate egg cream in your own home. And it's delicious. Now, most people think, yuck, I don't want an egg in my egg cream. Actually, there's not one egg in an egg cream. I guess you develop a taste for this drink. I've been drinking it since I was a kid. So, follow me and I'll show you the secret Waltonian ingredients on how to make a chocolate egg cream. Well, the first thing you're going to need a glass. This, though, isn't actually a glass. This is a plastic. However, we'll call it a glass. And you probably should have a schnauzer on it. You don't have to. I highly advise it. Then you need the other ingredients. Here's what you need. You need chocolate syrup. I use Hershey's. You need milk. Gotta have milk. You need seltzer. You gotta have seltzer. And need a spoon, because you gotta stir the whole thing up. So here's what I do. I take the chocolate, and I try to do this in the best Italian New York accent that I can remember that I had. I haven't had it in a while. You put the chocolate into the glass or the plastic, just like that. You take the milk. And you don't put a lot of milk in there. And you put the milk in the glass, but you don't put a lot, not a whole lot, because milk's the costly thing in here. In the stores, they didn't want to put a lot of costly stuff in this. The seltzer is like next to nothing. Fizzy water. Stir that up to a nice chocolatey brown kind of look. Kind of like this. See that color? Isn't that nice? Okay, now the important part, the seltzer. Open your seltzer. Pour it in there. Ah, hear the sound. And if you've made this right, it will foam. Oh yes, there it goes, it's foaming. It's foaming, do you see it? Give a close-up of that. And try to stir that without making the foam go all over the place. That, my friends, right here, is a chocolate egg cream. Let me sip some of that. Yeah. So there you go. Go on, get yourself some seltzer, get yourself some milk, get yourself some chocolate, mix it up, and you got yourself a chocolate egg cream, New York style. Well, I hope this has been very informative to you, and I hope that you too can have this fine, delicious beverage in your home soon. Now, I have some friends that will use Yahoo. Remember that drink? Yogi Berra's Yahoo. And instead of chocolate milk, they use Yahoo and put the seltzer in that, stir it up. Oh, it's not Yahoo, it's Yoo-hoo. Oh, well, Yahoo, Yoo-hoo, who cares? Hoo-hoo. Anyway. Anywho, milk and chocolate seltzer, you're on your way to a new life like you've never experienced before. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was short, but sure was fun.